In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Firefox's powerful features by utilizing container tabs and creating organized tab groups. Whether you're managing multiple online identities or categorizing your browsing tasks, these tools will help you stay organized and efficient. First, let's dive into container tabs, a fantastic way to separate your browsing into different contexts, such as personal, work, banking, or shopping. To get started, open Firefox and take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see the familiar menu button represented by 3 horizontal lines. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Add-ons and Themes. In the newly opened tab, you'll find a search box at the top. Type in Firefox Multi-Account Containers and hit Enter. This add-on allows you to use container tabs effectively, so go ahead and click the Add to Firefox button next to it. A prompt will pop up asking for confirmation, and you simply need to select Add to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, take a glance at your toolbar. You should now see a new icon depicting a stack of squares. This is your containers icon, and it's your gateway to managing your different browsing contexts. To start using container tabs, open a new browser tab and right-click anywhere on it. You'll see an option to Open in New Container tab, which is exactly what we want. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose from several predefined containers like personal, work, banking, or shopping. Select the one that suits your needs, and you'll notice that tabs within the same container are visually grouped with a colored underline, making it easy to distinguish between them. Now, let's enhance our organization further by creating groups of tabs. Again, start by opening Firefox. Head to the menu in the top right corner and select Add-ons and Themes. In the search box, type Simple Tab Groups and hit Enter. Click Add to Firefox and then Add when prompted to install it. When the installation is complete, take a look at your toolbar where you'll spot a new group icon. This icon is the key to managing your tab groups. Click on it and you can begin creating new tab groups. For example, if you're researching a topic, you might create a group named Research. To move tabs into a group, simply select the tabs you want. Right-click, choose Move Tab to Group, and pick the appropriate group. This way, you can easily switch between groups by using the toolbar icon, keeping your browsing experience tidy and allowing you to focus on what matters. By combining the power of container tabs and simple tab groups, you can efficiently manage your online tasks and identities, making your Firefox experience both organized and seamless. Happy browsing!